Marathi film called Highway. So tell us something about it. How difficult is for you to being a Delhiite and coming to Bombay and doing a Marathi film and learning Marathi for the film?
मुझे मराठी बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती एंड थैंकफुली इस फिल्म में मुझसे बुलवाने की कोशिश भी नहीं की बिकॉज बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाती है. आई थिंक आई टेक एट लीस्ट अ कपल ऑफ इयर्स टू learn Marathi, but you know, I met this director and he came through a reference, Mr. Sameer Sharma, who had shot Love Shaft, the Chicken Khurana with. He recommended him and he said, you know, you must watch his films because apparently he'd done a couple of films and they all had been selected at the Berlin Film Festival, although they were in Marathi, and he'd won over there. So because it's very sad, but I don't watch a lot of regional cinema. So उन्होंने मुझे recommend किया and मैंने वो film में देखी and they were really beautiful films. And this film Highway is again very special because it's about different stories about people who are going on that journey from Mumbai to Pune and what happens over there. And it's one of the stories. I'm playing an actress in it. Surprise, surprise. But it's a television actress and it's a very interesting part. So I had fun, and Umesh, the director, is a very interesting guy. He has a very interesting way of directing actors. So it was fun. It's also, I mean, you know, we're hoping we're still editing it, so we're hoping it'll garner a lot of critical acclaim. So let's see.
But Uma, do you feel lucky at the moment because you are never linked up with anyone, you are not into any controversies, or koi bhi
Thank God, yeah, what horrible questions to ask.
Do you feel lucky or not?
I've had my share of all the dhamakas. I'm very happy, touch wood. I think my work should speak for itself rather than all the unnecessary gossip.
So Badlapur is next, so tell us something about that also. Promos has been liked on YouTube, the highest like also on Badlapur at the moment. So
yeah, it's Badlapur is special. It's also a film I'm very scared of because, like I've said in an interview before, it's something that's outside my comfort zone. It's a director I've always wanted to work with, Sriram Raghavan, and you see Varun Dhawan the way you've never seen Varun Dhawan before. So I keep pulling his like, you know, all your kiddie bachas are going to run away because you're playing this really edgy guy, you know, who's almost like a monster, you know, and he goes completely crazy. I can't tell you more about it, but it's a film that really, I think whether it's me, it's Varun, it's Nawaz, it's really put all of us outside our comfort zones because that's just the kind of director Sriram Raghavan is. He never lets you be comfortable on set. You know, baki directors hote hain, aapko bolte hain, what do you want, be comfortable, you should be taken care of. I mean, in the middle of a scene, he will try and throw something at you which will just make you uncomfortable. And you will just, you know how when you corner an animal, wo kaise jhatpatata hai. So he just likes to capture you in that zone. And I think the film required that. It required him to push all of us. You know, I remember one day Varun, I had come on set and we had a scene together. So he was like, please मुझसे बात करो. एक हफ्ते से मुझसे किसी ने बात नहीं की है. You know, I'm feeling with all the assistants because he's a fun guy and he likes to joke around. So Sriram must have told him ki nobody talk to him, don't goof around. You have to be in the zone and everything. So that's what he does. Yeah, he's really exceptional. I hope the film does well. I'm glad for all those likes on YouTube. And right now, if you look at it, कुछ picture का बाहर आया नहीं है. Just one song and that little teaser we've put out. So no one really knows what's it about. And I think that's the thing we're trying to play on, just trying to be an enigma.
Uma, just you have launched 2015 calendar. So any new resolution you have kept for 2015?
Darling, I hate resolutions because I always end up breaking them. So it's better not to keep resolutions. जब भी मैं सोचती हूँ ना इस साल ये नहीं करने वाली, तो I'd never managed to keep a resolution. So I think the resolution is not to make resolutions. Just be the change that you want to be.
So which are the films you have on floor for 2015? Which are the most
on floor right now is only Badlapur. I'm also, I'm also working on a film which is a remake of Oculus, which I'm doing with my brother. So that is, of course, in the scripting stage right now, but that's something we're very excited about.
Thanks.
So my next question, actually, you gave me the answer for that. I was going to ask you about Oculus anyway. So are you looking forward to working with Saqib? And also, we hear that the Hollywood team is sort of collaborating with you and you're very involved with the project. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So I love my baby brother. He's really like, I mean, he's the youngest in the family, so he's really quite spoiled in that sense. You know, he always gets what he wants. So this time I've told him, if you don't buckle up, I'm going to kill you on set. Like, but no, it's going to be special because we've always thought about collaborating on something together. And when we saw this film, and when the opportunity came to us, with Relativity coming to India, we thought, you know, why not? It's a very interesting subject. It's a very well-made film, and it is an official remake. So And of course, Praval is a very interesting director to work with. I've interacted with him quite a bit. And he has very interesting ideas how to adapt the film to the Indian milieu. He's not just going to pick it up and do like a frame-to-frame copy. And that for me is exciting. You know, for example, you have Romeo and Juliet, and it can be made in so many different ways. I mean, I'm not saying it's comparable to Shakespeare, but you know what I'm talking about, right? Like, how do you tell an already told story in a more interesting way? And I think Saqib and me doing it because both of us are actors. You know, I think supernatural or thriller as a genre in this country is a long way to go. I really believe that, you know, with the right kind of cast, with the right kind of stories, we can really make some very edgy, some very new age stuff. So that's, inshallah, what we're trying to do in some small measure. I hope we succeed. Please buy a ticket and watch the film when it comes out. It'll mean a lot.
We will, I'm sure.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much so much for being with us here. Thank you so very much, my dear friends. In some time, refreshments will be served, so thank you help yourselves. With this hour, effort. Now it's over. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
मतलब बचपन में आप पढ़ा करते थे तो ऐसे आप कटआउट्स भी रखते थे कौन से एक्टर्स जिनके आप कटआउट कोई फिल्म पोस्ट करेगा इंटरव्यू क्या क्या करते हैं
I used to keep all cutouts of all Shah Rukh Khan Kajol films. I used to keep cutouts of Madhuri Dixit. Actually, so फिल्म फेयर से आपने सही कहा बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है एंड बहुत ही अच्छा रिश्ता है. कोई भी आई थिंक अगर फिल्म लवर है सो यू नो फिल्म फेयर उसकी लाइफ को कहीं ना कहीं छूता है एंड फिल्म फेयर एक ऐसी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैगजीन है जो आपको स्टार्स के बारे में बॉलीवुड के बारे में मूवीज़ के बारे में इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूज़ देती है एंड अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वे इन अ ब्यूटीफुल वे एंड फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स हो या कुछ भी हो इवन नाउ एज एन एक्टर आई फील इज जस्ट सो मच इट्स रियली स्पेशल.
रितेश की अगर बात करें तो आपका कैरेक्टर इतना माना गया आपको अवार्ड्स और मिल चुके तो आई एक्सपेक्टिंग अ फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड आल्सो.
I hope so. I hope Jitesh and the whole film fair team, we're all here. I think they listen to this. It feels good, yeah, to win an award. I think एक actor जब पूरे साथ काम करता है तो जब the community come together and they tell the actor that आपने अच्छा काम किया, they appreciate you. So it feels very nice because otherwise आप एक film set पे sort of working in isolation. So awards in that sense are very special and I have not ever won a film fair award. So it will be extremely special if I win this.
Let's
talk about this.
You're coming up with a calendar launch in which you are the one who is, you know, sporting the sort of look in the calendar. Right. Who, if you know, dig out in the past, who do you think makes for the ideal calendar girl in your opinion?
Ideal calendar girl? Wow. There've been so many beautiful women that we've had, yeah. So I think all the actresses in today's current generation, you know, they look damn amazing on a calendar wall. I'd put all of them on.
But anyone in specific that you would probably idolize?
I think Sridevi would make. I mean, it's quite a hot calendar girl, if I may say so.
Yeah. And another thing, it's a busy time for you. You're promoting Badlapur and lots of red carpet appearances. You were just talking about fashion. You seem to be, you know, very cued in when it comes to the red carpet. Has it been a journey of learning for you, like you said?
What's your name, darling?
My name is Sakhi.
So Sakhi has just asked me this question. No, thank you so much for appreciating the fact that I've put in some effort toward my red carpet appearances. I think it's coming from the fact that because I've grown up as a tomboy, so I've never really, you know, I guess before becoming an actress, I never really thought about what I was wearing because we pendeti and I'm quite a pajamas, t-shirt sort of a girl. So, but it's really nice, I guess, to dress up. And like I said, the awards are very, very special. They happen once a year where the entire community sort of, you know, gets together and we sort of, I guess, pat ourselves on the back saying, you know, well done, one more year gone and well, a good film is made. So yeah, I mean, I try. I have a great team now, which over the last couple of years I've put together that help me look the way I do and they just help me design my red carpet looks. So, but I think I still have a long way to go. I call myself a work in progress. And I have a lot to learn because there's some incredibly fashionable people out there. So yeah.
In terms of the awards, you obviously won some. You know, there have been other actors who've been winning awards after awards. But majorly, you know, female-oriented roles dominated 2014.
Yes.
We saw Deepika Padukone take away, you know, a popular category award for the best actress. But you know, Kauna, somewhere, just like flagged off the entire
list for this year, for last year rather. So do you think somewhere that balance is sort of off?
See, I can't really comment on what the yardsticks are, or rather should be, for the jury or for the awards. If you ask me personally, in my opinion, I think Kangana Ranaut is the best actress for this year. She's done a wonderful performance in Queen, and in fact I messaged her personally when I saw the film. I thought she was exceptional. I don't think anybody else would have done it better. What the yardsticks or how these awards are done, I'm not the right person. I think the jury members are a better judge of how that entire process happens. Really.
You done? Question?
This Republic Day is on 26th January. Please.
Or Rakhi, I'd like to wish everyone a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
It's like a big day. Please.
I said Jai Hind.
Hardik, done? Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.